Good morning! Welcome to our team. We are the Alliance of Committed Entrepreneurs to Success, or simply ACES. Organization po kami na ang layunin namin is to promote entrepreneurship, educate and help people how they can build their own businesses to attain both financial and time freedom. My name is Reach, and I'm here to share with you a very simple and easy way of making money online. Now, by just using Facebook or YouTube, pwede ka nang kumita ng 11,200 per week. But before that, let me reiterate why online business is a great business for you. First, timing. Perfect timing. It is now the trend, meaning ito na ang uso. And the best part is, hindi na ito mawawala sa uso. Why? Because it's now becoming a part of every people's life na parang may kulang pag di tayo nag-online, right? Even a 5-year-old kid nga marunong na mag-Facebook. And more people are taking advantage of the internet for personal man yan or business reasons. Second, no operational cost. Gumagastos ka man sa electricity or internet connection, pero with or without an online business, ginagastosan mo na yan. So, why not use your online hours productively and make a profit from using the internet? Third, you will have your own global business. Pag online ang business mo, global ka agad yan kasi you'll be able to touch millions of market na normally hindi mo magagawa sa traditional way of doing business. Actually, marami pang reasons na kasama dyan. Yung wala kang boss, you make your own schedule, it's hassle-free, plus you can bring your business anywhere with you because it's virtual. Now, are you ready? Are you ready to be part of this social media revolution? Familiar? Sa Facebook? Oo naman, I'm sure meron ka niyan. Pero kilala mo ba ang gumawa niyan? He's Mark Zuckerberg, a college dropout who at age 23 hit his first $1 billion yan and became the youngest self-made billionaire in the history of the world. Wow. If Facebook is a country, it would be the third largest because currently it has 750 million users and counting. Pero, the question there is, sa 750 million users, ilan kaya ang kumikita doon? Kumikita ba tayong mga members ng Facebook? Yung owner lang, right? What if I tell you that there is one social networking site na hindi lang ang creator or owner ang kumikita, pero pati mga members nila? Will you register? The name of the creator of the social networking site is Cafea Global Innovations Incorporated, na ang vision niya is to create a Facebook-like site kung saan ang mga members ay magkakaroon ng chance na kumita kahit nasa bahay lang. And since it's a social networking site, signing up here is for free. Yes, parang Facebook talaga. Libre lang. And what are you going to do next? Yung mga normal lang nating ginagawa sa internet. You just have to simply like, share, post, add friends. Ganun lang kadali. And Cafea will pay you for doing that through our referral program. Now, how would you like to earn 11,200 per week? If magkakaroon ka ng additional income na 11,200 per week, apart from your main income right now, will it create an impact in your life? May mababago ba sa buhay mo if you're going to earn 11,200 additional every week? Well, here in Cafea, that's very, very possible. So for you to become entitled sa earnings, you simply have to upgrade your personal account into a business account. Ganun lang kasimple. All you need to do is upgrade and you can already start earning. So how will Cafea pay you? inside your account, you will see in there My Referrals. This is actually your friends list. Yung friends mo na nag-sign up under your referral link. So once you upgrade your account, you will now have a business account and you will have a what we call genealogy, which will be your business tree. This is for you and the company na matrack ang earnings mo. Inside your genealogy, you will have two organizations under you. You will have a left business group and a right business group, which is independent from each other. So, as soon as your friends upgrade their accounts, they will also enter your business tree or your genealogy. So, sabihin na natin na yung isa sa mga friends mo, nag-upgrade na. So, pag nag-upgrade yan, you will earn 50 pesos. That's your incentive. Then, say nag-upgrade din si Pink Girl, you will earn another 50 pesos. This is called direct referral incentive. So, each time someone upgrades from your friends, meron kang 50 pesos each. So, what if 100 of your Facebook friends nag-upgrade 10? So, that's an instant 5,000 earnings. Ganun lang kasimple. There is no limit. Kahit ilan, pwede. Kumbaga, the more the merrier. At hindi lang yon, may bonus ka pa. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng pair sa group mo, meaning one left, one right, you will earn another incentive of 100 pesos. Ang tawag po dyan is pairing or matching bonus. So meaning, for every pair, Cafeya will pay you an extra 100 pesos. Meaning, since two of your friends upgraded their accounts, yan, that's a total of 200 income already. Eto ang malupet. You don't only earn from your friends' upgrade. You also earn from your friend of friends and from your friends of friends of friends and so on. You will earn 100 pesos for each pair down the line. So let's say you have two people na nag-upgrade, say kay Red Boy at dalawa din kay Pink Girl. So it means magkakaroon ka ngayon ng two pairs. So that's 2 times 100 pesos. That's an extra 200 pesos. So ganito yan. Again, this is you. That's your business account, your virtual account. Si Red Boy at Pink Girl plus yung dalawa nilang friends na nag-upgrade din. Do you think may mga friends din, mga yan na willing to earn and willing to upgrade? So whether you like it or not, dadami ng dadami yan. So, what does it mean to you? Kung sa Facebook, dumadami nga mga friends natin at wala tayong pakinabang. Lalo na dito, nadadami ng dadami yan because we are all earning. So, dito sa Cafeya, kapag dumadami ang mga friends nila, masaya ka because Cafeya is going to pay you 100 for every single pair. So 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and so on and so forth. May katapusan ba ito? Wala po. It's up to infinite level. Meaning kahit pang 100th pair or pang 1,000th pa yan, may pairing bonus ka pa rin. But of course, para ang company tumagal, meron po tayong tinatawag na safety net. We call this our maximum daily limit. Cafeya will only pay you a maximum of 16 pairs per day. That's your daily limit. So, say for a given day, nagkaroon ka ng more than 16 pairs. Hindi na babayaran sa'yo yung 17th pair onwards. Only if that happens sa loob ng isang araw. So, ibig sabihin, in excess of 16 pairs, it will all be flushed out. Well, anyway, that's already a gross income of 1,600 in one day. Hindi mo naman kikitain yan sa labas normally, right? So, weekly, you can earn a maximum of 11,200. And a monthly potential income of 48,000 pesos. So, kahit dumami ng dumami, upgraded members under you, hanggang 48,000 pesos ka lang in a month. But, if you want more than 48,000, and there's a way, you can actually watch my other video. It's maximizing your income potential by having multiple accounts. Now, I'm going to show you how you can reach the maximum income of 11,200 in as fast as 8 weeks. Weekly kasi yung payout natin here in Cafea, every Friday. Say, in your first week, let's say, only 2 people upgraded from your friends. That is only a very, very small number. Dalawa lang. And it happened within a week time. You think it's possible? Oo naman. So, sa first week mo, may 1 pair ka at 2 direct referral incentive, so you earned a total of 200 pesos. Now, the following week, ganun din yung nangyari sa kanila. 2 of their friends upgraded on their first week. Yes, 2 lang sa mga friends nila, and it happened sa loob ng 1 linggo. So, that's 2 pairs or 200 pesos. So, third week, ganun lang din. Dalawa lang din from their friends list ang nag-upgrade. So, meaning, may 4 pairs ka on your third week, that's 400 pesos. Fourth week, 8 pairs or 800 pesos. Fifth week, 16 pairs or 1,600. Sixth week, 32 pairs or 3,200. Now, 7th week, grabe. 64 pairs na yan or 6,400 in just 1 week. Daig mo pang nag-work niyan sa labas ng 8 hours a day and 5 days a week. Kasi 15 days nilang tatrabawin yan. Ikaw, 1 week lang. And on your 8th week, na-reach mo na ang maximum sa week na yan kasi meron kang 128 pairs, but instead of 12,800, you will only get 11,200 pesos. Because that's already your maximum income in a week. So, meaning kahit tumami pa yan the following week, hanggang 11,200 ka lang. So, imagine if this happens to you. Do you think matagal ang 8 weeks? Ilang years ka na ba sa work mo or dyan sa business mo? How much are you earning right now? Think about it. Kahit nga 8 months bago mangyari yan, di pa rin masama. Ako nga, it took me 5 years in employment to reach that level of income. Pero dito sa Cafea, worse na ang 8 months. So, wala pong kahirap-hirap how to earn 11,200 here for every week. Yes, 2 tao pa lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin na nag-upgrade. Dalawa lang. What if 20 of your friends upgraded? And 20 of their friends upgraded then? What if may nag-upgrade sa'yo not weekly, but daily? Just do the math. Just think about this. How many people in Facebook, friends mo man yan or hindi, na gustong kumita ng 11,200 per week? How many people are looking for an extra income? How many people ang kinakapos sa budget every now and then? And how many people ang naghahanap ng mapagkakakitaan sa internet? We are talking about millions of people. And since this is online, even Filipinos abroad can become your market, hindi lang dito sa Pinas. The question now is, how do I upgrade my account? Simply purchase Cafea Business Starter Kit for how much? For only 700 pesos. Yes, 700 pesos lang. Parang bumili ka lang ng isang t-shirt, kulang pa nga pambili ng isang cellphone. So, anong matatanggap mo from joining this latest craze online? You'll get a sample health product for you to try. It's a 10-in-1 healthy coffee, proven to strengthen your immune system. It's all natural. It has an international halal seal, so you can be sure that it's of high quality. A privilege card which you can use to get discounts to different establishments in the Philippines. An activation of your SIM card so you can be a retailer and enjoy 9 to 25% discount on over 200 prepaid load products provided by Load Central. So you can do e-loading business along the side. You can load Smart, Globe, Sun using your own cell phone or using your computer. Next, you get an access to the Cafea system through a virtual back office where you can track your team sales, your network, and dito mo rin i-encash yung commissions mo. An insurance from Fortune Life, that's 10,000 personal accidental death and disability insurance, plus an eco bag and marketing materials. And everything for only 700 pesos. Grabe! Sulit na sulit! It's truly a value for money investment. Excited ka na ba mag-start? Well then, listen up. Here are 4 easy steps how you can start this business. First, sign up now for free. Ask the person who showed you this video the link where to sign up. Second, find us on Facebook and be part of our online community. So you can also meet other cafeans from different parts of the world, make new friends, you'll learn a lot of stuff there, and I'm sure mag-enjoy ka. It's www.facebook.com/group/Cafea Aces Hub. Or you can also search Cafea Aces Online Hub. Third, upgrade your account so you can get all the privileges of a cafean and you can start earning. Fourth, simply share this video with your friends. Ilang YouTube videos na bang na-share mo? Ito na lang ang share mo, makakatulong ka pa sa kanila. Sobrang dali lang. It's so easy at kayang-kaya mo to. Now, here's your guide how to upgrade your account. First, decide how many accounts you're going to get because in this business, the more accounts you have, the larger your potential income is. Having more than one account is like having another branch. Diba kapag mas maraming branch ng negosyo mo is mas malaki ang potential income mo? Ganun din dito sa Cafea. So, paano yon? You can actually get 2, 3, 4, or the ideal structure is 7 accounts. Remember our 8-week program? So we talked about just one account there. Isang account lang that can potentially earn 11,200 in 1 week. Now, let's say you got not 1, not 2, but 3 accounts. Left and right mo rin yung sarili mong account. So, gagawin mo lang yung 8-week program sa 2 accounts na nasa left and right mo. So, meaning, instead of 2 lines, you will build 4 lines. So, once you reach the maximum limit for both accounts, each account can earn up to 11,200 in 1 week. And just imagine, 2 accounts lang ang winorkout mo, yung top account mo, parang bonus na lang ang income niya. Definitely, it will also earn 11,200 in 1 week. So, 11,200 times 3, that's 33,600 potential income in 1 week. Yep, and potentially you can earn 144,000 in 1 month. So, meaning to say, you doubled your effort, but your income went triple. Want to earn more than that? You go for 7 accounts. For 7 accounts, you will have to quadruple your effort this time. So work on the bottom 4 accounts and gawin mo lang din yung 8-week program natin sa 4 accounts na nasa baba ng structure mo. So, kapag nagma-max out na yan, 11,200, 11,200, 11,200, 11,200. So, 4 accounts ang winorkout mo, pero may bonus kang 3 sa taas. Another 11,200, 11,200, 11,200. That makes 78,400 in 1 week. Wow! So, you can potentially earn 336,000 in 1 month. Grabe! Ano na kayang klaseng buhay meron ka if you're earning this much? Imagine earning 336,000 in 1 month. Eh yung iba nga kahit pagsama-samay mo pa lahat ng income nila sa isang taon, hindi nila kikitain yan. Well, you can say this sounds too good to be true, right? It's not guaranteed, but I'd tell you this is a possibility. Or sabihin na natin kahit 50% lang ang mag-move sa network mo, you will still earn half of it. How many people do you know who's earning 6 digits per month? Iilan lang yan. Kaya I advise you, if you want to earn this much and buy your dreams, lalo na kung napakarami mo mga friends and you plan on doing this seriously just like me, you go for 7 accounts. Especially if you believe that this kind of business will really go viral because of its social networking concept and because of the payout system it's using. So I'm not promising anything. This is business, and kung kikitain mo yun o hindi will depend upon you and your team because Cafeya pays its distributors based on sales production. So this is for illustration purposes only. So want to go for 7 accounts, but not sure if you can do all the work or you don't have enough budget at the moment. I advise you go for 4 accounts initially. Paano yun? So this is how you're going to position yung 4 accounts mo. Don't place anyone on that side yet, so you can leave your structure open for 7 accounts. Work on the other side first. So work like you got 3 accounts, build 4 lines, and the other side, you reserve it for your additional accounts in the future. Once you're ready, you can open the 3 accounts anytime you want. Now, pretty much, you now have an idea how many accounts will work best for you, right? So, what's the next step? Purchase your business kit. How? You can purchase it offline or online. Offline, or I mean to say over the counter, you can go to our head office located at Mandaluyong City. We also have an office, an ACES office in Angeles City. Or you can go to the nearest mobile stockist in your area. And for hassle-free transactions, you can purchase your kit online. You can pay through Smart Money or Smart Padala, GCash, BDO, Western Union, or Cebuana Luilier. And lastly, upgrade your account. To upgrade your account, you'll need an activation ID and PIN, which you will receive upon confirmation of your payment. Aside from what I presented here, marami pa pong other ways to earn. If you want to know more about the products and services of Cafeya, just check on my YouTube channel, Cafeya Aces, or check our blog site for more information. It's www.cafeyaaces.blogspot.com. Let me share with you my experience here in doing this business. Yan po ang first check ko here in Cafeya. I earned 6,385 sa first 2 weeks ko of doing this business. Then I got my first 11,000 check in January of this year, and here are my latest earnings. I got 47,990 on the 13th of April, then 20,785 on the 27th. Tapos after just 1 week, another 24,485 pesos. Net income po yan. When I computed my earnings, really overwhelming. Ang total po niyan is 93,260 in a period of 4 weeks. And the best part is, hindi lang po akong kumikita dito. Napakarami pa. Yung iba, students lang, earning 3,000 to 5,000 in 1 week. Yung iba, mga employees, they're just doing this part-time lang, 2 to 3 hours a day, 2 to 3 times a week. Ito po, isa sa mga pinakamabilis na nakita ko, Katrina and Frederick Gonzalez, who earned a total of 55,622 after just 2 months of doing this business. And they did this just part-time. So, join now. The timing is now. Be one of us. Sali na. Contact the person who shared you or tag you this video. Like it, share it, tag it. Once again, my name is Reach Yanes from Team Aces. Thank you very much for watching. One day.